Hello, I'm Aaron. Today I'm going to be using Chapter 3's Model Talk to show you how to make a pop song. Actually, we'll be making a 4-chord progression, and it's a specific chord progression that's in a lot of popular songs. And it's going to be using these chords right here. C major, G major, A minor, F major. So, how do we do it? I will show you using this software I have, and we're going to start by finding C. Here's one right here. And then we're going to follow a pattern. The pattern is you go from your first note and you skip 3 notes going up, 1, 2, 3. Then you put a note down. Then you skip 1, 2 more notes, and then you put a note down. That's a C major chord. And we're actually going to go ahead and do this 4 times like this. All right, next we do G major. It's also a major chord, so we follow that same pattern. We find G, then we skip 1, 2, 3 notes, and then we skip 1, 2, and we have a G major chord. And we'll do that one 4 times as well. And let's go ahead and do the A minor next. A minor, starting on A. Since it's a minor chord, the pattern is opposite of a major chord. We're going to skip 1, 2 notes, and then we'll skip 1, 2, 3 notes. See? And that's a moodier sounding chord. We're doing that 4 times as well. And lastly, F major. F major, the same as G and C. We find F. We skip 3 notes, then 2. And we have an F major chord. We'll play that 4 times, and we'll play all of these together to hear what they sound like. All right, so we've made our chord progression. Yes. And now, with just those chords, you can add other instruments like drums or guitars or bass, and you can make a pop song. And I'm actually going to quickly do that myself. So if you look here, this blue one that says piano on it is the piano we just played. I add some plucks, some drums, and some bass, and all together they sound like this. Well, I think that sounded great. Practice yourself using this chart and use that pattern. For major chords, you take a note, you skip 3, then you skip 2, and use the pattern for minor chords. Skip 2, then skip 3. Good luck. Keep practicing.